Oh, what's good, YouTube? We are back early in the morning. I got bed hair, got my coffee. In today's video, I'm gonna be, I got some parts that are being sold and I'm gonna actually install them. So he's gonna come over and I'm gonna install the side skirts and the front lip for his car. And yeah, and then after that, I think that's probably gonna be it for my car stuff today. I got hang out with the family and stuff. So that's gonna be on the agenda, and should be another fun day of G80 madness. Enjoy it while I can because it'll be gone soon. I think, don't know when, but I'm gonna enjoy it. I like it. I'm all about it. So yeah, stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe, and I'll keep dropping bangers. I'm about to wake up. I'm so tired. Alrighty, we got the side skirts installed, self-tapped into the existing side skirts. Did that shit like a G. We got the front lip installed, looking good. He just recently got lowered on his H&R springs with some spacers, so sitting flush as it should. And then this is the other side. So there's 3M tape in there as well. So 3M and self-tap screws. So it's pretty secure on that joint. Here's a guy right here.
Hey,
what's good? What's good?
The myth, the legend.
Yeah, what you
Man,
think?
hey, it's beautiful, dog. OEM plus touch. Like, my God came through for me.
Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, man. So I'm going to get this thing on the ground, put some torque these wheels down to spec, and yeah, it'll be all set. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me know what you think of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun shit. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I still got to continue to tear down that thing over there. So we'll see. Maybe more parts are getting installed in the garage since I'm parting stuff out. But until next time, peace. Sir, take care, man.